those who are looking for a job, we are hiring a full-time employees. So this work is recycling a magnesium, and the details are here. So it is located in Gifu Prefecture, and the starting salary will be 190,000 yen to 289,500 yen with bonuses. So if you're interested in that job, I'm inviting you to come over here in our office Monday, Wednesday, Friday at 11 o'clock a.m. Then Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday at 2 p.m. So more than 20 companies are offering their jobs for everyone. And every time you come here, you will receive this yellow ticket. This yellow ticket serves as your access for the final interview. And every time you come here, you will also receive blue ticket as your free meal. And also, for more information, please dial 036-206-8058. That's all, and thank you. Have a nice day.